Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L2440DW printer driver download and installation. So first link support.brother.com, this official website. Search in the Google browser, use to any browsers like that, and then first link, click on it. Then you can see the operating system: Windows, Mac, Linux, mobile. Okay, so in the Windows 11, select Windows 10 also there, 10 32 64 server also there. So other installations process also same. Then click to OK. Then this is easy setup. Scroll down, this is a full setup with the software, and this is only driver. Click to this driver, scroll down and click to download. After that it's completed, click on three these locations to open where it is downloaded. Then just double click to open. After that it will extract and create a new folder. So guys, this is your printer driver. Okay, now then final step to install, click to start and then click on setting. After that click Bluetooth and device and then click print and scanners and then click to add device, then click on manual. It will show after some second like this. Add device new manually, select the last, then next, click on have disk. Now click on browse, then go to download, open this folder and select inf file, inf, and then click to OK. Now find out 2440DW, select this, then next. Now this is installing and then finish. After that you can see it is installed. Then restart is mandatory. So guys, please restart your printer and system and then please check it. Thank you.